What's a cortado? The cortado is an espresso drink of equal parts espresso and steamed milk. It's Spanish in origin. Cortado means cut in Spanish, indicating that the espresso is cut with the milk. In contrast to other coffee drinks, a cortado is always the same volume, 1 double shot of espresso and 2 ounces milk. A cortado is always served in a 4.5-ounce glass cup, making it easy to pour in the exact quantities. When it's served in a special glass, called a Gibraltar glass that tapers at the bottom, it's called a Gibraltar. This tradition started at a coffee house in San Francisco and persists to this day. Some people say there are slight differences, but the drinks are essentially the same. Cortado versus latte. Wait, what makes it a cortado vs a latte? Here are the key differences. A cortado is 1:1 milk to espresso. A latte is 2:1 milk to espresso. A cortado is 4 ounces and served in a small glass. A latte is typically 6 ounces and can be served in a mug, cup, or glass. The milk for a latte is textured to become microfoam, a wet paint-like texture. The milk for a cortado is steamed, but not textured. Because it has less milk, the cortado allows the bold espresso flavor to shine through more than a latte. To us, the cortado is like an elevated latte. In fact, we much prefer its flavor. The cortado also has less calories than a latte since it uses less milk. How to make a cortado. Basic steps. Ready to get sipping? Here's how to make a cortado at home. Make a double shot of espresso. Steam or froth 1/4 cup whole milk. Pour the espresso into a small glass. Then top with the milk. Use whole milk for best flavor. The best milk for a cortado. Whole milk. It's the ideal richness for pairing with the bittersweet coffee, and it steams the easiest. Want to make a vegan cortado? Oat milk is your best bet. It's the best dairy-free milk for steaming. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.